Do you think African countries are doing well in implementing democracy?
I think there is a very big challenge when it comes to democracy in Africa, because most of our leaders, when they get elected in office, they don't want to leave office. And we found that in Africa, democracy means elections. They think that if they have elections whenever they are due, they are democratic. But I think elections are just one of the many things that are used to measure democracy. There is a lot of things that are not happening well, or that are not happening in Africa when it comes to democracy, especially when we look at freedom of expression and free media in Africa. There is still a big challenge. And we have presidents that have stayed for over 36, 37 years in power, and they still want to continue. In my country where I come from, Robert Mugabe has been there for 36 years. He is 92, and he still wants to go for another 5-year term. We can talk about people like Biangwema and Jose Eduardo dos Santos, who have been in power since 1979.
Thank you, Ndebere. Ndebere, do you think democracy is Africa, is African content? Is that content ours, or we just hijacked it? You've not heard me. I'm saying, do you think democracy in Africa is our own, or we just borrowed something we cannot implement? He's not getting me. Ndebere?
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I'm asking.
Yes.
Do you think democracy? Yes.
I think the problem that we have is that we never accepted, well, it's a concept that was brought to us by Western governments. I don't think it's something that was, of course, it was not formulated in Africa. In Africa, we've always known to have kings, maybe later on queens. So people think that once they are in power, the next time they are out of power is when they are dead. And you find that most of the times the reason why African countries adopt democracy is because they want Western funding. If you go to multinationals that lend money, like the IMF and the World Bank, they will tell you of reforms first before you can get money. They will ask you how democratic you are. They will put programs to make sure that you are part of the world, you are part of the democracy. It is because of those conditions to access international funding that most of our countries have started to talk democracy. But if you look at the countries that where they are well enough in terms of resources, they will not even bother about democracy. If you look at China and Singapore, they have money and they don't care about democracy. So in Africa, I think democracy is a borrowed concept that we have not really internalized.
Oh, okay, thank you, Ndebere. Maybe one, we are Yagurukaho, Beto Ogene Ndebere Nzenzere, Ogeno Munyamakuru Muhangeria Zimbabwe, Akande Nangu, Nomunyamateka. Mukuru gwo Nzenzere Ndebere anajangu abebembezi bo mu Afrika bombatekateka ngo babaterera karuru ninga shibagira ingeri bakatungamu bashemere kubana baferante be yagamba president wabo Robert Gabriel Mugabe amatibiri akarega ngombe yajangu oguhe aine myaka 92 kandi abategekire myaka 36 mbwena arebera kimwe ngumazima umukuru gwo enkore ya democracy muri Zimbabwe ateriyo akandi yajangu demokrasia ni we nkawe narebera kimwe ngo tukagenda twagikopa heru mbwenu eketari yitu ahubwo abantu bakaba bamanyirire byo bugabe bamanyirire byo bukama